Imagine waking up to a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just process information, it creates. A world where machines can generate entire articles, compose symphonies, design fashion, and even write books, all by themselves. Welcome to the world of generative AI, a realm where technology is no longer just a tool but a collaborator, an artist, and a thinker. But how did we get here? And what does this mean for the future? In this documentary, we'll journey through the fascinating developments in generative AI, diving into how models like GPT are transforming industries, creativity, and our very understanding of intelligence itself. If you're fascinated by the potential of AI to shape our world, and you want to stay at the forefront of these technological breakthroughs, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of the future discussions. Your support helps us continue to explore the cutting edge of AI and its ever-expanding possibilities. Generative AI represents a profound shift in the way we think about artificial intelligence and its capabilities. For decades, AI has been primarily concerned with tasks like classification, prediction, and automation, activities that mimic human decision-making processes by analyzing existing data. These systems excel at recognizing patterns and making informed decisions based on large datasets. However, generative AI marks a pivotal leap forward as it introduces the ability to produce entirely new data, ideas, content, and solutions that have never existed before. This shift from replication to innovation is where the true potential of AI comes into play. At the core of generative AI lies a groundbreaking technology known as deep learning. This subset of machine learning involves neural networks, complex algorithms designed to recognize patterns and make decisions based on large amounts of data. In deep learning, the neural networks are made up of layers of interconnected nodes that learn to process and interpret data in increasingly sophisticated ways, closely mimicking how the human brain works. The larger and more sophisticated these networks become, the better they are at generating new content. This allows AI not just to understand and process existing data, but to generate novel ideas, solutions, and creations. One of the most prominent breakthroughs in generative AI has been the development of generative pre-trained transformers, GPT, models that have revolutionized natural language processing. These models, such as OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4, are designed to process vast amounts of text data and generate human-like responses, from writing coherent essays to generating poetry and even computer code. What sets these models apart from traditional AI is their ability to understand context, tone, and nuances in language, making them incredibly powerful tools for generating creative content across various domains. But the reach of generative AI doesn't stop with text. There are also models like DALL-E, which generate images from textual descriptions, and MuseNet, capable of composing music in various genres. In these domains, AI is no longer just a tool for analysis. It's becoming a collaborator, a creator in its own right. The creative industries, once seen as inherently human domains, are now being reshaped by the power of these systems. The implications of generative AI extend far beyond art and language. In business, AI is transforming everything from product design to customer service, creating new ways to interact with consumers, innovate products, and enhance decision-making processes. In healthcare, AI is speeding up drug discovery, improving diagnostic tools, and even helping doctors with patient care decisions. As these models evolve, they are becoming indispensable in a variety of industries. However, with these advancements comes a host of complex questions and challenges. As generative AI continues to evolve, it raises concerns about the ethical implications of its use. Who owns the content generated by these systems? How do we prevent misuse, such as the creation of fake news or deepfakes? And as AI becomes more capable, will it replace human workers in creative and professional fields, or will it enhance human potential in ways we can't yet fully imagine? In this documentary, we will explore the incredible developments in generative AI, breaking down the technology, its applications, and the profound impact it's having on industries, creativity, and even society as a whole. We'll also look at the challenges and ethical considerations that come with the rapid growth of these powerful systems, as well as the future possibilities they hold. Whether you're a technology enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone simply curious about the future of AI, this journey through the world of generative AI will leave you with a deeper understanding of its potential and its challenges. Generative AI represents a shift from traditional AI, which is primarily concerned with making predictions or classifications based on existing data. In contrast, generative models are designed to create new data, whether it's text, images, music, or even synthetic data for research purposes. These models learn patterns from vast datasets and then use that knowledge to generate content that aligns with the patterns they've observed. The underlying mechanism behind many generative AI models is machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence where algorithms are trained to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, involves neural networks, layers of interconnected nodes that mimic the structure of the human brain. The larger and more complex the neural network, the more powerful the generative model. One of the most prominent types of generative models is the Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. GANs work by pitting two neural networks against each other. One generates content, the generator, and the other evaluates it, the discriminator. The generator tries to create realistic data, while the discriminator tries to detect whether the data is real or fake. Through this adversarial process, both networks improve, leading to the creation of highly realistic content. Another groundbreaking architecture is the transformer model, which underpins systems like GPT. Unlike traditional neural networks, transformers can process data in parallel, allowing them to handle large amounts of information more efficiently. This architecture is particularly well suited for natural language processing tasks, enabling the generation of coherent, contextually accurate text. The GPT model, developed by OpenAI, has become the poster child for generative AI in the realm of text generation. But its story begins with the release of GPT-1 in 2018. While GPT-1 was a breakthrough in its own right, it was only the beginning. The real game changer came with GPT-2, which introduced a model capable of generating long, coherent passages of text, often indistinguishable from human writing. However, it was GPT-3 that truly captured the world's attention. With an impressive 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 was the largest language model of its time. Parameters are the internal weights of the model that allow it to make predictions. The larger the number of parameters, the more complex and capable the model becomes. GPT-3's ability to generate highly realistic text, answer questions, and even complete code was a testament to the power of generative models. GPT-4, released in 2023, is a further refinement of the GPT architecture. With even more parameters and enhanced capabilities, GPT-4 has brought us closer to truly conversational AI. It can generate more nuanced, context-aware responses, making it better at understanding ambiguous queries and producing text that matches human tone, style, and intent. The integration of multimodal capabilities, the ability to handle text, images, and other forms of data simultaneously, has set the stage for even more sophisticated AI systems. But while GPT and similar models have demonstrated remarkable abilities, there are limitations. Despite their impressive outputs, these models don't truly understand the world. They are statistical machines trained on vast amounts of data. They can generate text that sounds convincing, but they don't possess awareness or consciousness. This is where the distinction between machine learning and true artificial general intelligence, AGI, becomes crucial. Generative AI has already made its mark across a wide range of industries, demonstrating its versatility and potential for innovation. Let's explore some of the key areas where it's being applied. Content creation. In the field of content creation, generative AI has revolutionized the way writers, journalists, and marketers produce material. GPT-3 and GPT-4 have been used to generate everything from news articles to creative fiction. These models are particularly useful for creating first drafts, generating summaries, and brainstorming ideas. Writers can now use AI to assist in the writing process, saving time while maintaining creativity. Similarly, in marketing, AI-driven content tools can craft personalized ad copy, social media posts, and product descriptions tailored to specific audiences. Art and design AI is also reshaping the art world. Models like DALL-E, another project by OpenAI, can generate stunning images based on simple text descriptions. These AI-generated artworks are not just algorithmic outputs. They represent a fusion of human creativity and machine-generated content. Artists and designers are embracing these tools to explore new forms of expression, experiment with styles, and generate design concepts. What's even more exciting is that AI-generated art can be personalized, with designs tailored to individual preferences. Music composition, the world of music, is also being transformed by AI. Tools like MuseNet and OpenAI's JukeDeck can compose original music across various genres, from classical to jazz and even contemporary pop. These tools are especially helpful for musicians looking for inspiration, generating new melodies, harmonies, and arrangements. While AI-generated music doesn't replace human creativity, it serves as a valuable tool for collaboration, aiding composers in their creative process. Business and innovation. Generative AI is proving to be a powerful tool in the business world as well. In product development, AI models are being used to generate new ideas, designs, and prototypes. Businesses are leveraging these tools to streamline operations, automate customer service, and improve decision-making by generating data-driven insights. Additionally, AI is helping companies improve their innovation processes, creating new business models and disrupting traditional industries. Healthcare. In healthcare, generative AI is playing an increasingly important role. AI models are being used to generate synthetic medical data, which can be used for research and training without violating privacy regulations. These models are also aiding in drug discovery, where generative algorithms can help identify potential new drug compounds based on existing chemical data. Furthermore, AI is being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and assist doctors in diagnosing conditions. Ethical considerations. As with any powerful technology, the rise of generative AI brings with it a host of ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for misuse. Generative models can create highly realistic fake content, deepfakes, fake news, and misleading information that can be used to deceive the public or cause harm. These risks highlight the need for ethical guidelines and regulations surrounding the use of generative AI. Another significant concern is the issue of bias. AI models are trained on real-world data, which is often biased. This bias can be reflected in the outputs generated by these models, leading to harmful stereotypes or reinforcing existing societal inequalities. Addressing bias in AI is a critical challenge that requires careful curation of training data, as well as the development of algorithms that can identify and mitigate bias in the outputs. The question of intellectual property is also a major consideration. As AI begins to generate creative works, such as art, music, and literature, who owns the copyright? Is it the AI developer, the user of the AI tool, or the AI itself? As generative models become more sophisticated, it's essential that legal frameworks adapt to address these new challenges. Looking ahead, the potential for generative AI is boundless. Advances in neural network architectures, training methodologies, and computational power will continue to drive the capabilities of these systems. We may soon see AI that can not only generate content, but also reason, solve complex problems, and collaborate with humans in creative endeavors. However, the future of generative AI also requires careful consideration. As these models become more integrated into society, we must address the ethical, social, and economic implications. Will AI augment human creativity, or will it replace jobs and reshape entire industries? How will we balance the need for innovation with the responsibility to ensure these technologies are used ethically and transparently. Generative AI is rapidly reshaping the way we interact with technology and the world around us. But where do we draw the line? Will AI become a tool that enhances human creativity, allowing us to push the boundaries of innovation like never before? Or are we at the cusp of a reality where AI is poised to replace us, changing the landscape of work, art, and even human connection? As these technologies evolve at breakneck speed, what role will we, as humans, play in the creative process? Will we remain the masterminds behind AI's capabilities, or will the machines take over? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What excites you the most about the potential of generative AI? And what concerns do you have about its growing influence and its potential impact on our future? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Let's discuss the possibilities, challenges, and ethical considerations we face as AI continues to advance.